Coco Martin. 필리핀 유명한 액션 배우입니다. 코코 마틴.
You say, why many people?
Why many people, Meng?
Because there's, over there have an actress.
Over there?
Yeah.
Ah, beres.
Actress and actor. The big actor and actress here.
Who?
Coco Martin.
And
Shaina
then?
Magdayaw. Patrick Garcia.
And
Patrick,
then,
I think not Patrick Janwin.
and then, Big Boy, di ba?
Oh, we can look at ako shouting. Ah! Like that. I wanna like that. I ignored it. May bibigil na si Snow. Can I looking there? Because I wanna see the ano. Oh, you know here, so many people. Oh, look, all waiting.
Wanna see?
Asan na? Where? I can just look here lang.
How can see? Wala.
Sino ba yun? Wala. Wala na po? Sino na po yun nandyan? Si Patrick Garcia po.
이렇게 이글거리는 석양을 뒤로 한 채 마지막 날 밤 여행 일정은 저물어 갑니다.
Ano, Coco Martin? Coco Martin lang. Grabe. Ang sarap mag-walk dito, no? You not feel kapoy. Because ano, slowly walking, di ba? Ikaw, how's your feeling now?
Wala pili.
Oh, I miss the dog. Very cute dog. I miss the Coco Martin. May Coco Martin.
Coco Martin.
Look our back. Ooh, very busy na. Because nighttime. They said nighttime here very nice walking. Good to walk. Bye. We will update you guys. We were just looking around here. Hello guys. Worth it. We visit here. Really worth it. Not sayang our money. Diba?
Yeah.
Because if also not feel tired, no? We not feel tired. Just walking, looking around. Wow, so nice. Next time we can visit here again. And then we travel pa some parts here in Ilocos Norte. Pagudpud. There.
Next time we booking the here. Inside the Meron Hotel. Booking just outside walking or watching.
Because they
if couple inside the hotel park.
Yeah. Souvenir. Sana yung ayun BarTech. Yung ano we can eat there. Drinking. But what time na ba? 6? Okay. Wala kasi ano food.
What food?
Same before Sheila meron buy.
What food?
Ano?
Meron ba? What food? Wala ng food name. How can know?
Like sweet, ano ba?
Like sweet is sugar. Like salt is asin.
Aking bag. Aray.
Hi.
And then, you know, all people here are friendly. Friendly.
They always
Dito, I want to visit yung Cafe Uno.
Oh, you wanna eat there? Check it.
Just only cafe. Look. Dito. Hot drinks. Hot chocolate. Hot. Appetizer. Bagnet can sa bungangan. Ano? I don't understand.
Why, you cannot reading?
Bagnet can sa bunganay. Also, Bisaya cannot understand also this. Ako nga cannot
Ah, 바구니 캔.
Oh, bagnet can, but I don't know what sa bunganay.
사붕하나에 이 치킨. 달라가.
Ano yung chicken and then bagnet?
사붕 치킨. 사붕 치킨 쿠킹.
Ay, nako, big. No? Tara. BarTech. We can see. Ay, oo, no. Sit down na there.
Where is it though?
Tara dito. Kuya, excuse me. For 2 person. 2 person. Dito? Walang ano. We can...
Oh, I want a bigger?
Okay. We can put our things here.
오케이라. 자, 오늘은 여기서 저녁 식사를 간단하게 할 예정입니다.
Ay, sorry. Wait lang, kuya.
ikaw, inside there. Here, meron tayong julog.
I'm here. Aray.
기차도 지나다니고, 마차도 지나다니고. 운치 있네요. Happy ka na?
Yes.
Why happy?
Because you spending time to me while you going back to Korea. Before you going back to Korea. Oh my God, what happened to my English now?
Very happy ba ikaw?
What?
Ako ko ba Korea?
Ikaw very happy.
Oh, ako very happy. Ako many masarap food.
Oh, if I wanna eat masarap po you sending money. Big boy, I wanna eat the restaurant. Why? Ikaw lang alone eat masarap po. Ano naman ako?
Ikaw diet? You say you diet na.
But if sometimes lang I wanna eat.
Ikaw not 45, ako not coming here. Now, how many weight here?
Maybe 52.